It's not very impressive. There it goes. Hey, we got Fred from Fastenal in the shop with us today. Freddie hooked us up with a bolt bin. You've heard us complain and dig through all the little bags and crap like that for weeks and weeks. That is no longer. We're going to have the great bolt assortment. No more digging in bags. No more wondering where we're going to be. Freddie has hooked us up. Thanks, Fred.
Of course.
Hey, and also, if you're in Paso, hit our Fastenal up because Fred will take care of you. But outside of your area, don't forget your Fastenal dealership. Nuts, bolts, screws, washers, paints, supplies, stuff like that. And a whole lot of stuff you don't really think about. Fastenal.com or your local Fastenal dealer can take care of you. We're gonna move on to getting this bolt bin in. Let's get to work. Some blue parts in the shop. The big one.
Yeah, so it's already got the fasteners in it, so it's going to be a little heavier.
Okay, this is the tip edge, so we can go straight down like this.
Ready?
Oh, watch your hand, Fred.
Yikes! Did you get that?
It's a little Bart Simpson.
Yeah. With all due respect, that's homework.
Okay, this is like Christmas for a shop.
Well, and it is just about Christmas.
It's getting close. We shoot YouTube videos 3 nights a week. We don't have time for shopping.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
Life just got better.
I don't know if you guys want to put this on top of here or not.
It has to say Fastenal on it someplace.
Boom! Everything's still in their bags, so you can take those out as you want to, but that's it. You're good to go. Still got some
Absolutely.
space here if you want to
Yeah.
add some more fasteners.
I'm sure you'll hear from us.
Yeah, all grade 5 per your request. Locks, flats. So you're good to go, brother.
Some people are excited by weird stuff. I'm that guy.
Well, this is not the first time you've seen Fastenal. Let's just put it
It
that way.
is not the first time I've seen Fastenal. Freddie and I have a pretty good working relationship at my day job. He takes care of us. It's not just this Fastenal. You know, Fastenal is a shop that'll reach out, take care of you. Great with corporate accounts, online orders, all of those things. Willing to look for the weird stuff that isn't your normal hardware store go-gets. So they will put in the work for you. Absolutely, give them a call. They're showing us the love. Let's make sure that we reciprocate to that and give them a little bit of love. Use them for your fastener needs if you can. We're gonna get out of here for fasteners and go to actual work. So we're, as much as I don't want to today, it's cold, it's been a long day at the actual day job, but the buggy calls. So we're gonna get back onto normal filming. Fred, thank you.
Of course.
I'm sure that we will see you again. We'll get back at it.
Big Hammer Garage. Like and subscribe!
Well, I'll be. Even a blind squirrel finds a nut now and then. Really close. Alright. What I'm going to do is notch the other end of this the same angle, and we should be able to build straight up stanchions, I think. But I'm not going to guarantee it. I'm just going to hack it off in some random location so that we can figure out where we need to be. Okay, so if and we get this guy on here, that's pretty close. I think I like it right there. if we got that right there, let me grab a Sharpie marker real quick. I'll grab that. If we put that right there and grab this guy here, I need a prehensile tail. So if we mark it like that, that should tell us about where the top and the bottom of our radii should be. Radii sounds like a weird word. Then this should, in theory, allow us to take this back to 0. That rear rail on the chassis, not only is it going downhill, but it's actually getting wider as it goes to the bottom. So it needs to be a little bit of a funky angle, I think.
Right there?
Well, maybe. Guess we're going to find out in a second. If not, it'll be another one for the blooper reel. We're coming up with a lot of material for blooper reel here pretty soon. Probably don't want to try to hang on to that. That's hot. Not like the good finger warmer kind of hot. Like, I burn my finger hot. Okay. Let's see. We might have to massage it. Let's drill a hole. We're going to drill it pretty deep because we want to try to get a couple of these slugs out of it. We need 2 slugs. I'd like to drill it just one time. We're going to drill it with a 3/8 through hole. I've got oil on my fingers. Well, we can't even drill it 3/8 because our chuck won't take a 3/8 drill. 386. Okay. You ever done something you just had that feeling when you started it? This is not going to end well. It's the feeling I got right now. Problem is I don't know whether this drill bit's bent or whether it's running out in the chuck.
Okay.
Alright, so our tool's just not hard enough. We can't cut this thing, so we're going to use a redneck tool post grinder. I would not suggest you do that. It's just an overall bad decision. Today it is what it is. Definitely not ideal by any sense of the idea, but the ox is in the mire, so here we are. We did something dumb. Not the first dumb thing we did, but first dumb thing today. Would you look at that? Look at that guess. One inch. It goes from 89.5 degrees there. So somewhere in the middle here, it's like, that's 89.90 degrees. Eyeball. So in theory, this should be straight. 15, where an 1/8 of an inch off.
Towards me. It's got to go towards you.
Yep. I don't know if it'll go there now. It might be an 1/8 of an inch off. No, it's the other way.
Towards me?
It's within a 32nd of that direction. So that might just be where it's going to be.
You can take a hammer, hit that a little, not hard.
All I have is a freaking Mateo Grande. It's exactly where it was before.
Well, you're not hitting it hard enough then.
I'm hitting her pretty hard. I think it's just going to be a 1/8 of an inch off the center. All right. Teamwork makes the dream work. All right, let's poke another hole in it. Because in theory, we should be able to recreate this, right? We did it once. Should be able to do it twice. Just careful with this guy. Ouch. Find a hot spot?
A little bit.
It's gonna have a little gap or platypus in it, but eyeballs. All right, we made a little progress. Want to make sure that we brought you in on where we're at. We have you guys on camera, or we have on camera for you guys, tacking in these front stanchions. We created these rear tabs to mount the back side of the tank on. I'm going to go ahead and tack the second side in. I tacked this one in already so that we could level up the tank here. We're pretty stinking close, leveled this way. And then we'll get after in the next day or so. We'll finish welding those all in, pull the tank back out so that we can get to the inside, weld them up all perfect, and we should be good. We're gonna get some tack on this and we will probably call it a night. I don't know where my hat went. More gooder. All right, now that the welders quit blowing on us, we are tanked. Still gotta cut the big hole in the top, get the holly mat and the holly pump put in, get ready to start plumbing that. But the tank is home. All right, we're gonna get out here for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you on the next one.